Realtor.com isn't just for buying homes anymore. With one simple AI tool, you can turn this free website into a beginner-friendly side hustle that brings consistent opportunities working from home, no license, no tech skills, no cold calling, no marketing skills. You're not flipping houses or selling leads. So this is the same method I've used personally online every day, and the exact system that I've used for countless years. And let me just say this, I've been working from home for over 20 years, not taking a paycheck. So I've been able to create these side hustles to create a passive income without jumping from hustle to hustle. So there's no ads, no complicated learning curve here, and just a simple setup that you can start today. So before we dive in, I'm not going to sell you some high-ticket course at the end of this. In fact, if you smash that like button, hit subscribe, drop a comment, I'm going to get you a private link to the blueprint to do everything, including the software that I use, and a 30-day trial to this. So once you do that, I'll send that link and you just unlock my free step-by-step course, and then from there it's 100% free, so you can relax knowing that there isn't a sales pitch or an email blast after that. So let's jump in to Realtor.com. You can do this at Zillow. I've done it on both sites. And what we'll be doing is helping realtors, real estate agents, generate more leads for their business, but in a way that doesn't involve expensive ads or charge them thousands of dollars per month. It's just a simple monthly fee, and I'll show you one time a 5-minute setup using this AI tool that turns into a steady monthly service for agents that actually want this and that they can afford. So let's dive in. So why real estate agents? Here's why I like real estate. I've worked with title companies. I've worked with realtors. I've done every facet of it. And in fact, I even created some of the first virtual tours. So nearly everyone knows a real estate agent. Like, there's so many of them. And you might even be related to one. That means finding clients is easier than in most industries because there's so many real estate agents. When I lived at the beach down in Gulf Shores, there was almost everybody was a real estate agent. So what this makes this one of the best niches to start if you want quick wins and passive income. So stick with me, because in just a few minutes, we're going to walk through exactly how to set this up and how to land your first client and how this compounds into a really good passive income. But first, we're going to show you how to go into Realtor.com, how to go into Zillow.com and find these clients. Before we get going, I'm going to give you everything. I'm not going to keep you hanging here. I'm going to literally give you everything, including the software that we're using right here.